guys, this is Nala and I'm Kan, and today we're heading back into the Machaba kitchen. With Christmas just around the corner, we decided to make a Christmas Yule Log. Meet Chef Kay. She'll help us with the ingredients.
Hi,
For the cake, we need 6 large eggs, half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, and we need some cooking spray. Filling, we need 1 1/4 cup of cream. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We need a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. For the frosting, we need half a cup of soft butter, 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 1/2 cup of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of cream. To start, we have to separate the eggs. We take the yolks and we add the sugar. Now we beat. When we have bubbles, we add the flour. Cocoa powder. And now we're gonna beat the egg whites until it becomes stiff, but we're gonna let Kay do that for us.
thank you, Nala.
Even my arm's getting tired from watching her. And now we gently fold the egg white into the batter. Some parchment paper on. It's ready to go into the oven for about 5 minutes. Now we start the filling. We combine the cream, the sugar, and the vanilla essence in a bowl. And now we beat again. Over to Kay.
Thank you, Nala.
And now we wait for it to cool down. And now it's time to make the frosting. Now we mix it. Ready to put it together. And now we spread the whipped cream. For decoration, we'll need some fresh rosemary and some cranberries.